so Powbox is a cloud-based solution. Being in the medical field, that may or may not be the case. What are some of the typical installations you guys go through when you're implementing a new software system?
Yeah, when you guys first came to me about Powbox, I was a little hesitant because we had been looking at different encryption solutions, and they all involved equipment that would need to come into our office and be installed and put in and we don't really have network box or a phone closet that a lot of places have. So I was a little bit hesitant, and then when you explained to me that it was a cloud-based system and there wasn't going to be any actual box installed, I said, oh, I was intrigued by that. And after looking at all of our options, decided that this really made the most sense for us, that it is a box that doesn't have to be a box that's installed in our clinic.
Right.
Very convenient.
And your business is bustling. I mean, you got stuff going on everywhere. You don't need another box in your...
We need every square inch of space in our clinics for our patients and staff.
Right.
Absolutely.
Oh, that's wonderful.